Hi, my little friends. How are you today? Do you remember in the last session we learned three-letter words with a short A sound? Now, in the lesson 5, we will learn three-letter word with a short E sound. Do you remember what is the short E sound? Yes, it's A. So, we will learn CVC words with the A sound. You remember how in the last lesson we read sound on the red dot and the green dot together, and we will blend it with the sound on the blue dot like this. Ba, d, bad. Correct. Now let's see more three letters with a sound. Le, g, leg. Pa, g, pag. Ha, n, hen. Ba, d, bad. Be, g, big. Me, n, man. Pe, n, pain. Se, t, set. Le, d, laid. We, t, wet. Web, web. Yay, very good. Now we will meet in the sixth lesson with three-letter words or CVC blend with I sound. Bye for now.